Hello, my name is Tom Morgan. I'm the director of the Alworth Center for the Study of Peace and Justice here at the College of St. Scholastica in Duluth. I'm sitting in the Mitchell Auditorium on our campus. It's a big auditorium and it's suitable for big ideas. The big idea that we're going to be dealing with this academic year 2019-2020, it deals with justice, primarily criminal justice. Do we have it? Well, we can get more of it in this country. That's the question. Our first speaker is Erin Kelly. Erin Kelly is a native of Minnesota, earned her PhD at Harvard and has gone on to a distinguished career at Tufts University. She's primarily interested in the distinction between blame and guilt, and she will talk to that issue as well as others. She's a philosopher, so it'll perhaps be a little bit abstract. Then in November, we have another Kelly, no relation. This is William Kelly. He is professor of sociology and director of the Center for Criminology and Criminal Justice Research at the University of Texas at Austin. He spent a whole lifetime, more than 25 years, dealing with issues of criminal justice. I believe he will take some of the first Kelly's ideas and apply them in a very practical way to reforming criminal justice in America today. And then after the holiday break, we have Laura Basil, who is an academic, a distinguished academic career, and before that she worked in the Office of the Federal Public Defender in Los Angeles. One of her big interests is restorative justice, not an idea that is widely understood in the general public or widely practiced in the criminal justice world. She'll speak to that issue in February. After Laura, we take a change of pace and have a local speaker, Jamie Harvey, who has significant credentials in the area of environment and sustainable living activism. He will speak to issues of environmental justice. And finally, on the end of the month in March, we have Anthony Ray Hinton, who was wrongly convicted for the 1985 murders of two fast food managers in Birmingham, Alabama. He was sentenced to death and held on death row for 28 years. In 2015, the United States Supreme Court unanimously overturned his conviction, and the state dropped all charges against him. He came out of prison, looked at the sky, and said, "The sun is still shining." And that's the title of his prison memoir, where he talks about surviving 28 years on death row for a crime he didn't commit. That's the lineup, all 5 talks for the academic year 2019-2020. I hope you can come to all of them, or at least some of them. Every program is at 7:30 p.m. here in the Mitchell Auditorium, no charge. Thank you very much.